Oh. This is how your favorite spaza drink is made. Nice and tasty, cool drink.
I promise it's nice, my friends.
Kom hierdie kant, jy gaan beter sien nie.
Nee. Ag nee.
Daar is een van hulle werkers wat die kos maak en goed. Zoom hom in. Check daar. Daar is die skaal met die emmertjie. Daar vat hulle mooi video's.
Ag nee.
Vat 'n video hoe hulle weeg. Vat 'n video hoe hulle weeg.
Dit is nou by Jana. Eish. Mense, dit is nou lekker. Dit gaan by Euro Mini Market in Takeaway. Ek weet darm nie of dit heeltemal is hoe mense met kos moet werk nie. Ha?
Dis hoe hulle die kos aan ons gekoop. Ons koop die kos hier. Ek sê nie, kyk hy vleenkap, daar's niks uit gin fokko.
Lekker kaalvoet op die vleis, ek weet hom nie.
Let me take 2 pieces then, I get you that side, you fry it, you eat it, I want to see.
You must eat it.
You gonna eat it.
I cook it, I give you no problem.
No,
You cook, you eat.
You gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, bring that side.
My television day today. That's what.
Okay, bring 2 pieces, we fry that side. I want you to see. Hy sal nie goed eet nie.
Nee, sal nie.
Wat 'n video so lank op die kant. Wat het jy bestel?
Burger en chips, waar gaan ek nou refund kry?
Gaan jy fok, nie fok.
Ag nee.
Not a fok. And you know what? I ordered the food that side. I want refund. I'm not gonna eat here.
Refund now.
You know, I'm for African unity, and I'll never turn my back against African unity. I stand for African unity, wire, but not in the expense of our children, not in the expense of abantwana bethu abaselokishini. I walked into one of the Somalian shops today, and this is what I found. Somalians, what is this? The next thing in Izuti, Operation Dudula Iyansugela. What is this? You wanna unalive abantwana bese South Africa? And yes, I'm a Somalians, 100% but wrong. But Nati South Africans, we should be accountable. Because askazi sithole isitolo sama Somaliani esehlathini. Who is leasing our properties to our Somalians? Are you vetting labantu lab? Do you check ukuthi do they follow all South African protocols? Are they doing pest control etolo? Do they have company registrations and all that? So it goes 2 ways, Bafet. Somalians, they must watch themselves. This is really unacceptable. The next thing is lokshini, and then uzothiwa nabo abantu aba renti itolo zabo or ama properties to Somalians. Nabo, they must watch themselves. This is really unacceptable. Yabo lento le khona into wrong la. Nama inspector now mela vakashe la. Angiyiboni kahle lento le. So yes, African unity, but to a certain extent, Buffett. To a certain extent.